Hello there, Ali here from Sports Templates, and today I'm bringing you guys this new template mockup that we're releasing just before the World Cup for the soccer scarves. And with this template, you're gonna get three files. You're gonna get this M-shaped fold, you're gonna get the unfolded version, and this downward V-shape fold. This is going to be a really straightforward tutorial because we only have a couple smart objects to edit. So I'm going to be making this USA soccer scarf, and I'm going to get started with this version. So to get started, I'm going to grab the US soccer logo. I have it in vector. So just grabbing it from Illustrator, Control V, and then we open Photoshop and we go to the back smart object. Double click on this little icon and Control V to paste the logo. I'm gonna place it as a smart object so I can control its resolution. Click Save, and let's rotate and let's push it a little bit to the edge. Now we need to create 7 stripes that's gonna extend from the logo, basically following this design. So let's make the first stripe, and let's use the same color in here. Let's roll it back to about here, and with Control J, let's make 7 versions of this stripe. So now we have 7 versions. Just grab one of these and bring it down to around here. Now pick all of these stripes and click on Distribute Top Edges, and it's gonna automatically distribute them equally. I've already added a placeholder design, so you can turn it on to see what it looks like, but I'm just gonna need the background from this one, so bring it out and let's pick an off-white color, so something like this. Okay, Control S, save. Looks pretty good. So one thing I added is to this smart object is a Distort Effect, so you can see that the logo is kind of woven in to the fabric. If you want to make this effect a little bit less visible, you can just go here, click this little arrow, down arrow, and go to Displace. Basically what this file is doing is taking the displacement information from another PSD that I've included. So you just click it from here. It's going to be included in your template. You just choose it from here and it's going to displace the image on top. If you want the displacement to be less than what's already included in this file, you just double click on the displace effect here and you choose a lower number. So if you go with 4 and 4, click OK, choose the displacement file, the displacement effect is gonna be reduced, but I'm gonna keep it as it is. So I'm gonna go back to 8, and then we also have the Gaussian blur effect. It also sells this effect a little bit more, so I recommend you always keep it on. Alright, now moving on to the front side, double click in here and let's copy the information from here. So we just need the stripes, drag while holding shift so they stay centered, and let's drag them all the way to the end, and let's add the background from this placeholder design. And pick this off-white color. Let's push these stripes a little bit to the left and let's add name. Here we have One Nation, but I guess I'm just gonna add 1, like a big 1 in text. So if we go here, I'm using the font United Serif, and let's make it as tall as the stripes. So let's add a ruler and add guides. Alright, let's save that. Looking good. Next, let's add color to the rest of the parts. So I'm just gonna borrow the color from here for the tassel. Each part of the tassel has 2 colors. So one is, I'm gonna keep it as white, and the other one I'm gonna pick this navy blue. The same thing for this tassel. And you have the scarf ends. I'm just gonna pick white as well. as well as the base color of the scarf and the right one. One last thing is we can go in and change the background color. So we can pick an off-white color like this, or maybe you want to put it against black. I'm liking the black version like this, and that's about it. You can zoom in to check the details and how the design looks like it's part of the scarf. The same thing can be done on all scarves, so I'm gonna do a quick design for the folded version. Basically just borrow from the designs we already made for the first one. So double click here and let's go open the smart objects from here. We need this one and this one, and let's add it back into the unfolded version. So select all, shift and drag, and let's push everything to the edge, and let's also copy the text, same thing. So we need to shorten these stripes a little bit, something like this. Change the background color to this off-white. That's about it. What's left is we just need to change the colors of the rest of the scarf. So let's pick colors from here. Tassels. Basically the same steps we did with the first one. And the ends of the scarf. Turn the effects back on. And with this one, I'm gonna go with a white background. Maybe make the text this navy blue. Zoom in to check the resolution and the details. And that's about it. For the third one, I'm just gonna fast forward this video because basically it's gonna be the same steps. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It's a shame the US is not gonna be part of the World Cup this year, but still I think the US has one of the best soccer crests, so this is why I chose it for this tutorial. Stay in touch with Sports Templates. We're gonna be releasing new products every month. Follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and see you guys in the next one.
Instrumentals.